ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀ. ಸ್ಲೀವ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್, sleeve trending designs video. How to stitching sleeve designs. Don't skip my video. Please continue watching. Sleeve lining attaching shape designs, square box, top side lining kinari stitching, turn the lining piece and stitching the top side. Diamond shape design. Stitch the piping piece. Diamond shape attaching piece. Center marking and attaching. Stoneless adding the attaching piece. Finishing the downside V shape. Full round attaching the lining and fabric piece. Downside lining piece, top side sleeve piece, sleeve downside V shape design, turning the attaching the piece lining. Match this piece and top side lining piece kinari stitching. Lining side adjust finishing and folding the lining piece. Top side stitching, tension margin stitching. Downside V shape, saree contrast piece designing, saree contrast designing piece, into shape attaching, into mark design. Downside, two side diamond shape attaching into mark. Sleeve downside attaching the lace v-neck. I am using this contrast color. Same color is not suitable. Opposite color lace attaching. Adding the beads. Center into saree piece work joint, attaching the beads, downside lace, into mark design, beads, stone attaching. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you all watching. Share and like. Don't skip this video. Please comments. Thank you all.